Creamy and comforting, our take on conventional mac and cheese is not only free of dairy and preservatives, it's actually made of vegetables and inflammation-fighting turmeric. Great for picky eaters, try this healthy recipe to make your next weeknight dinner a win in every way. Since the base of the creamy sauce is vegetables, we'll start by chopping a little onion. Chopping up a whole red bell pepper, slicing some garlic, and chopping up some cauliflower into small florets. Now we'll warm some coconut oil over medium heat. And add the onions and the red bell pepper first, sauteing them for about 5 minutes to soften them up. We'll stir in the garlic and saute for a minute longer. And then add the cauliflower, as well as some unsweetened almond milk. We'll reduce the heat to low, cover everything up, and let this cook for about 10 minutes. Now that the cauliflower is very soft, we'll transfer this all to a blender, where we'll also add some tahini, sea salt, black pepper, and some beautiful turmeric powder. For flavor, we'll also add some DIJON mustard, nutritional yeast, and MISO paste. And we'll blend this into a smooth, rich sauce. Now we'll cook some macaroni pasta, using lentil pasta here for its high protein and fiber content, and give this a quick drain once it's done. We'll return the pasta to the warm pot and pour in our cheesy sauce, as well as some frozen peas and a little extra coconut oil for its buttery flavor. We'll warm this all up over low heat for just a couple minutes, and then transfer the turmeric mac and cheese to serving bowls, topping everything with hemp seeds. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. And if you love this video, please give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.